Since you guys have been enjoying my content, today I'm gonna ask you a favor. Please like my videos. If you haven't liked any of my videos, please like them. Thanks God, we are having some rain right now, dropping. I'm happy that it's raining, actually, and I'll tell you why I'm happy that it's raining. Because now it's heavily raining, and I'm going into my chicken house to actually inspect my house. The inspection that I want to do is because now we are preparing for festive season, and we know that it is rain season as well when it's festive season. So right now I want to inspect how my chicken house is. So one of the things that I'm here to inspect is actually woo, we almost lost so many bags of feed. As you can see over here, these are the bags of feed that we have, and there's a rain coming off. I didn't close the side, and I forgot that I have some bags here, so I'm gonna just try and push them to this side. And actually what I'm here to do is to check any leaks on the roofing, since we are going into the new cycle. So before anything that I can do now, let me just try and move those bags to the other side so that they don't get wet. Yo, hey! This thing is heavy, guys. This thing is heavy. It's heavy. Yo! So I'm gonna try and push it. Aye. Yeah. Let's try push it like this so it can go to this other side. Yeah, even the thing it's kind of wet. I'm not sure about the feed inside, but checking from here, the feed was not really affected. So yeah, it's rain season now, and what we want to check, it's the leaks on our roof. Remember that I told you that now my roof is getting a little bit rusty, and I wanted to check if we have any leaks on the roof, since we are going to start a new cycle this week. So I'm actually here to check if we have any leaks so that we can sort them out. So it's heavily raining and I don't see any leaks on my roof, even though my roofing is bad. If you probably can see the rust on my roof. So this is something that I want to share. So one of the mistakes that I did when building my chicken house is that I actually didn't lift up the roof enough. So the sides, actually my wall, it should have been 3 meter upwards taller than what it is now. So I think it's about 2 meters tall. So it's a little bit low in terms of the moisture that's happening in the house when you put your chicken. In terms of enough ventilation, it doesn't actually produce enough ventilation for your chicken. So yeah, the harmony get to be built very quick on the roof. That's why we see our roof being rusty like this. It's one of the mistakes that I did when I was building my house. So I didn't actually take it up about 3 meters upwards. So that's one of the mistakes that we're having, and this is the cost. So it means that in the next 2 years, I have to do something about my roofing. So if you want to build your chicken house, this is one mistake that you should avoid. At least try to lift your chicken up, at least make it 3 meter going up when you're building it, so that you don't come across your roofing being rusty like mine right now. So yeah, so far through my inspection on the roof, I don't see any leak of water. Seems like we're gonna have a proper, okay, here we have a wet pole. Do you see it? It's kind of wet, so it should be like over here. That's where you're gonna have our leak. Also over here, I see I have a wet pole, so it needs to be properly inspected during the day when it's not raining. Also over here we have another one, but my main concern is here around where we brood our chickens. I don't see any wet poles. I suppose everything is well, but my main concern actually was here. You know the thing of iPhone not turning the camera. I'm not sure you guys can see. If you can see over here, there's a kind of space between the wall and the roof, and it seems rusty and it seems like it's coming off. So that's the part that was actually my biggest concern, but I will sort it out before it's getting worse. But yeah, what I wanted to check is if we have any wet poles or any droplets of water on the floor. Seems like my floor is good. This is my floor, and my floor looks good. The reason why we have water here is because of my side. So remember that I've opened my side. That's why we have a little bit of water that's coming inside. So yeah, that's my side, and that's where the water comes from. And it seems like the rain it's dropping from this side. That's why when you look at this side, we don't have any water around my ventilation area. So yeah, that's my feed, and those are my drinkers and feeders. They're ready for studying a new cycle that we're gonna be studying after 2 days. So tomorrow is Thursday, so we're gonna be studying with a new cycle. So we have our feed ready, we have our feeders and drinkers ready for the cycle, we have our house ready. So tomorrow I'm just gonna come and disinfect the house. I have cleaned it, so I'm just gonna disinfect it, because before you start a cycle you just need to. So yeah, that's what I came here to do. Let's go and inspect the other house, see if we have any leakage happening inside the other house. But I know from this other house that I used to have some poles getting wet around the rain season. So over here I have my wood shaving bags. I try to cover them, and so yeah, this is my wood shavings. I tried to cover them with the plastic. I couldn't put them in the house as quickly as I can, but others are on the other house. I managed to put some of my wood shaving in the house, but it seems like the rain was not bad, because over here it's still dry. But yeah, let's go inside this chicken house and see what's going on. So coming inside here, this is our chicken house. House number. So I'm inside my chicken house now. We're inside the chicken house now, and as expected from this side, as I told you that the rain is dropping from this side, that's why we see our floor being wet like this. But this is the problem that I want to talk about with you. See, it's also wet from this side, but this side is the water doesn't come from my ventilation space. It comes from here. This is what I wanted to inspect. This is what I wanted to see if we have any leak on our roof, and we need to take care of. Do you see it? Even here on the wall, our roof is getting rusty, and there's a lot of water coming in through the roofing. So this is a lot of water that actually you can have in the house, more especially if it's coming from the roof. Imagine if I had chickens, how wet will these chickens be due to this leakage on the roof? So tomorrow we will try to actually get something to actually deal with our roofing. I hope it gets hot tomorrow, because this kind of things, when you do them or fixing the roof, it needs a hot temperature. So I wish we don't have rain tomorrow and the weather is good. Do you guys know this thing? Do you know it? Please leave the name of that thing on the comment. I know some of you gonna say it's lizard, but I wanna know the type of lizard it is. Yeah, I've been seeing a couple of those in my chicken house, and I believe they're here for the mosquitoes. So yeah, as I'm doing my inspection on the roof, like with the other house, this is the only spot that I'm seeing so far that is wet. Looks like the rest of the house, it's okay. I just have to deal with this place tomorrow, and yeah, we will be sorted. And yeah, over here we have our wood shaving. These are the bags that I managed to put inside the house. I actually bought these bags tomorrow. Sorry, man. Yesterday I bought these bags yesterday, and then I managed to put them inside the house. Just that tomorrow I'm still gonna buy more bags. I think I'm gonna resell some of my wood shaving this festive season. Yeah, so I'm planning to buy more bags and put them in my house. So those ones who are shorted of wood shaving, they can come and buy from me. But yeah, so far I'm impressed. I'm just disappointed by this area. But with the other house, because we're gonna be starting brooding from that house tomorrow, no, a day after tomorrow, which is Friday, we're receiving our chicks. So I have to deal with that house as quick as possible. But the rest of this chicken house, it's good. But even this one, see, the roof, it's a little bit rusty. So like I said, we need to sort out the roof fast. And yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So that's all I had for you today at Makwala Agri. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like. You guys don't like the videos.